The leaks give some detail on the look of OnePlus 7T Pro. And from the looks of things, it's quite clear that Pro and 7T Pro will be an exact copy of each other. The OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro both shipped with Snapdragon 855, and initial expectation was both replacement models would inherit the same chip. In mid-July, however, Qualcomm introduced the gamer-focused Snapdragon 855 Plus, and it certainly wouldn't be surprising to see the OnePlus 7 series make use of it. According to MaxJ, the next OnePlus T version is indeed a real thing. The news should mean that both OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro will be announced later this year, although the possibility that only OnePlus 7 Pro will be updated certainly exists. Details about what kind of changes are planned unfortunately weren't shared today, although perhaps the biggest candidate for an update is the processor. OnePlus 7 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 855 and comes with a RAM up to 12GB and RAM boost to improve the app loading. The OnePlus 7 Pro will also be the first device in the world to support UFS 3.0 and will have liquid cooling to cool the device down. To power the hardware, OnePlus 7 Pro will come with 4000 mAh battery and will support wrap charge. OnePlus 7 Pro will also come with stereo speakers and will support Dolby Atmos.